unlocked. No trick. Watch till the end, and I'll show you the only official way to get this done. First, grab the minimal ADB and fast boot setup. Links in the description. Install it, then open the terminal. Type fast boot devices. By the way, all commands are in the first comment. Now your phone, we need fast boot mode. Hold down volume down and power. Connect it to your PC. Type fast boot devices again and hit enter. Copy that serial number and send it to me. Just a heads up. This is an official server-side unlock, so there is a fee, usually $30 to $35. Within 24 hours, I'll send you your unique FRP unlock code. Get the code. Replace the XXXXX like on screen. Copy everything and paste it into ADB. Make sure your phone is still in fast boot and hit enter. Boom. Done. Rebirth.